Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like NFTs? Do you like NFT games? Then you will like this video, because today we'll be talking about the top 4 NFT mobile games to play to earn, or P2E. We'll go through it in the next few minutes, and let's not waste any time and dive deep into it. So guys, we start this video with the first game we have here, Nino Kuni. That game is quite interesting. It's a Japanese game. It's developed and published in Japan. And to give you a little backstory here, it's one of the first games in the series to follow the young Oliver and his journey to another world to save his mother from an evil spirit, or from an evil in general. And it's quite well developed, and the game is quite interesting. Over here you can see the game introduction, you can see the backstory, you can see what's going on, you can see that platform is just beautifully laid out, and you can also start the story number 1, story 2, story 3, 4, 5. You can follow here, and it's quite interesting and interactive. You can get it on a PC version, you can get it on Google Play, you can get it in the App Store, and the characters here are quite available as well. And it's quite interesting to see the diversity here, and it will be fun, you know. I mean, this game is quite fun, and if you're into that kind of games, definitely this game will drag you in, and you will find that it's quite interactive and things are quite developing here in this game. Also in terms of community is growing, and players are having some great time playing this game. You can familiarize yourself here with the locations as well, and familiars, and you can find that the game has quite a unique and Japanese approach towards gaming and towards characters and everything. And you will find that this game, marketplace trading and mini games as well, that the possibilities are endless for you to earn as you play. So things are quite interesting and quite exciting here for this particular game. And the characters, I have to admit, I mean, the characters are just amazing, and execution and rendering and how the game is developed is just top notch. Of course, Japanese games are well known for being top notch execution, and I would say that this one here is making it to the top of the list. So I would advise you to have a look at it and inform yourself more. Probably you will fall in love with this game if it's your type, or that's your cup of tea. So the game here is quite interesting for me personally, and I would advise you also to have a look at it and to start getting involved into such a beautiful and lovely game and a beautiful story. The second game I have for you here, which is The Legend of Auram Dracoins. It's quite an interesting game here, The Legend of Auram Dracoins. It's an immersive fantasy role-playing game, training your party for heroes and training your characters and starting to invade and starting to expand in the map and try to choose your favorite combinations and equipment from a vast range of powerful weapons, so you can build up and you can conquer, you can develop, you can expand. It's kind of a development game, so it's quite interactive and it's quite enticing for people to join. And as you can see here, you can collect, you can trade, and you can also trade rare artifacts and riches. Once you have rare artifacts, meaning that you can directly gain money, or you can make money as you play and as you hold as well. Things hold value, the rarer they is, then the more value they will have. And you can see also it's an expanding metaverse. I mean, the metaverse is well-known word nowadays. Don't have to reiterate how important the metaverse is and will be in the near future as well. So you can actively develop, and you can also add new features, and you can equip and also build teams and build collaborations within the game. And you can find here the tokenomics of this game is quite amazing, and it's quite interesting how they sliced everything up. The game itself, I mean, the roadmap of the game, it's quite interesting because it started way back then in 2021. It's closed alpha, and Q1 2022 they already developed, Q2, Q3, and currently much more to come, because currently Q3 2022 the land ownership system, own, buy and sell, was already there. So you can start playing right ahead, and you can find that the community for this game is quite expanding, and people are gaining more and more interested in playing such a game. And as you can see here, about the game, everything is just well laid out here on the platform, and the roadmap also is well laid out, so you can have a look at what's going on. You can also join their social media, Twitter, Discord, and also Telegram, so you can get in touch with people and see some samples how the game is played and how things are interacting here. So that's in a nutshell here a development game, which is quite interesting and good start for you if you're looking to start playing NFT play to earn games. Going to the game number 3 I have for you, which is Lord of Dragons. Quite an interesting game over here. It's a 3D easy classic featuring NFT play to earn mechanics. I mean, it's a play to earn game, and it's quite interesting with a high quality gameplay and compatible with Android and iOS. As you can see here, game download, and then you can find it also on the App Store and you can find it on Google Play. So you will find the utility here for this game quite amazing. Roadmap is laid out in front of you. You can start just playing right now, and as you can see, Q4 2022 is already closed. Q1 official game launch in this quarter, so you might need to consider start playing this game. And it's a play to earn game, meaning that you should play and you can just earn. And it's quite interesting because the year 2022, and according to what we can find out on the roadmap, the game is released and the launching date is officially in the first quarter of this year. Here you can find the marketplace, here you can find the white paper if you want to have a look at it, and you can also find the gallery and how the characters are, how things are, the concept arts. I mean, it's just quite amazing here. You can find it's a bit of a fantasy thing if you're into such a game, but it's quite interesting, and the community is growing so much and expanding so fast that people are just competing to get into the game. So I would say give it a go and see what's going on. And here you can find the features for the weapon system, so you can collect, you can develop, you can also enhance your characters and start opening new features and new skills, and you can also have the skills utilizations over here. You can check it out. So things are quite exciting for this game. The community is growing, and my humble advice for you, give it a go, check it out, and this can be a play to earn game for you. And going on now to game number 4, which is Crypto Fighters, a very interesting game, and it's centered around the cryptographically unique collectible fighters over here. And as you can see, these are the characters. You can collect them, you can develop them, you can battle against each other, and then when you win a battle, you can assemble a group up to fighters, and you can just, you know, build a community or build groups, and you can interact with each other. It's a pretty straightforward game. It's pretty simple to understand, pretty easy, and the layout of the platform and the layout and the structure of the game is quite interesting. Here you can start now, and you can digital fighters on the blockchain. You can collect them, you can train them, you can trade them, you can buy them, you can sell them, you can do whatever you want, and things are in the direction of play to earn, meaning that the more you play, the better you are, and the more you earn as well. So you have all the fun to gain and also all the money to gain, because it's a play to earn game over here. And you can fight now and learn more if you want to inform yourself more. But generally speaking, here you will find that my fighters, you need to connect, of course, a MetaMask wallet or a wallet of your choice, and you can start interacting with the game here. And here you can find on the marketplace, you can find all the fighters, all the levels, all the strategies you can develop, all the advantages for each character, some statistics here, and then you can decide which one to start with. And once you get a character and you develop it and you enhance it, you can also utilize it and you can trade it, keep it, you can sell its value, and then at a later point you can sell it out or you can trade it for something else. But here the game is quite simple and straightforward, so my humble advice for you, check it out and see what's going on. If that's your type of games, it will be good for you to start as a play to earn game. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the best 4 NFT play to earn games out there in the market for you to try. So my humble advice for you, try it out, check it out, and see what's going on, and also inform yourself more. The more information you have, the better decision you will make, and everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below. And till next one, bye bye.